This is just a brief screencast to walk us through some items that I want to share and I didn't get a chance to get to this past Tuesday in the first meeting. I was a little long-winded there, and I'll be a little briefer now. First things first, I want to remind you that we're going to be using this Google site, department site, to house a lot of information. For example, on this first page right now, on the home page, there's a bunch of articles that I posted over the summer that I thought would be interesting. So obviously, I'm not expecting you to read all these, but if you have time and you come across one that jumps out at you, feel free to enjoy. You'll also see that I have a link here, information on Google Classroom class. I created a new Math Department Google Classroom page, and I'm going to be using it throughout the year, both to provide information, but also to collect information from you, and also to provide a place for you to chat with classmates, with peers. So right here is a link to it, and here is the code for you to access it as a student. You have by now, however, though, received an invite, or you should have received an invite via email. So please, by the end of the week here, the second week of September, make sure that you register with the class. Along the top here, you'll see also I have a weekly update going. Provided this last week again also, but we have information for this week, including the agenda for this week's department meeting, which is going to be Tuesday afternoon at 600 Please bring your laptop. You will need it for the activity, and please be as prompt as possible so that we can get rolling and get you out of that time. We'll use this PLC resources area again, as we did last year, for you to collect your notes from each of the meetings, and then also this running agenda, which starts off with this Tuesday's agenda. The first part of the meeting on Tuesday is the Danielson retraining. This will take up most of the time, and this link here leads you to this document, which is created by Matt Hall. Thank you very much, Mr. Hall. And it basically took Danielson's core domains, the components, and the attributes, depending on effective level, and broke it down here into a Google Sheet so that you can use it more effectively for what you're going to do. And to kind of get you thinking through this, preparing for the meeting on Tuesday, if you have time to do this, is we're going to have you, I would like to have you identify at least 2 specific components in which you feel that you would like to challenge yourself and move either from partially effective to effective, or from an effective area over to highly effective. And it might be an area that you're highly effective, but you want to try something new this year. And after you identify those 2 different areas, again at least 2, you're going to copy and paste them onto this last tab, which says focal points. And this is going to be your work area that you're going to share with me. So you're going to post these on here, and then you're going to come up with your own strategy for improvement. How are you going to move from partially effective to effective, or effective to highly effective? And what support do you need? This again is going to be after you've copied this original and then created it for your own. And after you've done this process, you're going to share it back with me by placing it into your lesson plan folder. And that leads to the next segment that we're going to discuss briefly on Tuesday is lesson plans. Talking last Tuesday about this again. Make sure that you create a folder with this type of naming sequence where you use your last name, lesson plan, and 1819, and we're going to share that with you. You'll see here that I've listed, and this was up this past week, but I've listed the 10 main areas that I would like to see each of these represented at least once in each unit. It's possible to have each one of these listed in each lesson, each specific lesson, but definitely feasible and should be a part of every unit. I've added from last year these 2 first elements, making meaning, which is basically I kind of talk about the backswing of the swing mile. our students are trying to make meaning themselves using inductive or deductive reasoning, or each other in collaboration. Um, and then the second component is application of use, is the full swing of the follow through from that swing model. I'd like you to identify in each how you can specifically. And then, as I mentioned earlier, we're going to use Google Classroom. So by the end of this week, we're going to make sure you log on to that Google Classroom page. And I have a little assignment that we'll talk about on Tuesday. So if this was okay to share. I'm not going to use the screencast every week, but for a brief 6 minutes, hopefully this would set the tone for Tuesday afternoon's meeting. And look forward to good work, good working with you.